And as you guys can see, this is the cash machine right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get my $100. Today, I challenged myself to see if I could make $100 within 1 hour using some secret money-making apps that you're not going to find anywhere else on the entire internet. And if you're interested in learning how to do the same, you're going to want to make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end. So the most important app that we're going to have to download for this challenge is going to be Privacy. Now, Privacy, as you can see right here on my phone, is this fantastic app that allows me to make completely anonymous, quote-unquote fake debit cards. Now, the best part about Privacy is that it allows you to make a bunch of completely free credit cards you can make at max 15 a month, which then you can use for almost anything. And every single method in this challenge requires you to enter in some kind of credit card, so we're going to want to make sure to download Privacy right now, because if I don't, then I won't be able to complete this challenge. And if you guys are interested in signing up for Privacy, and actually as an important part of this challenge, what you guys are going to want to do is that you're going to want to sign up with Privacy with my link down below to get a free $5. Now, this free $5 is actually essential for the next couple steps, so if you guys are interested in doing this challenge with me, then you're going to want to make sure to download Privacy, and you can download Privacy with my link in the description. And you can go ahead and get a free $5 provided that you complete some kind of purchase. Well, what kind of purchase am I supposed to do? That's the next step for this challenge. Alright, so for the next step of this challenge, we're going to need to download Cash App. Now, if you guys don't have Cash App is actually my favorite modern payment processor. So it is completely anonymous, no refunds, no family and friend protection, none of that crap that you get from PayPal. Their support is fantastic, and you can do almost literally anything with this app. Now, if you guys go ahead and use the link down in the description, you can get a free $5 upon sign up. As you can see right here, I already have people who have gotten a free $5. And what you can do, and this is an essential part of this challenge now, is that we can take that $5 privacy credit that we get from a purchase, and then we can roll it into Cash App. Now, when you deposit money from Cash App from any card, which, fun fact, we just made a card through Privacy, then you will get a free $5 provided you sign up with my link down below. And using these two methods, I'm going to go ahead and create some accounts, and I'm going to be going ahead and getting that free $10, which is an essential step for the next part of this method. And just like that, I was able to get $10. And this is coming from the $5 of privacy credit that I just deposited into my Cash App, and then the additional $5 referral bonus. And then the next step for this method is that we're going to want to go ahead and download Venmo. Now, I'm going to presume that most of you guys already have Venmo, but if you don't, then Venmo is actually my second favorite payment processor behind Cash App. It's super, super easy to go ahead and pay anybody for anything using Venmo. And Venmo is an essential part of the next step of this method. Now, using Venmo, you can actually get $10 referrals. So what you're going to want to do is that if you don't have a Venmo link or you don't have a Venmo account already, you can go ahead and use my link down below to get a free $10 upon sign up. And what you need to do is that you need to send $5 to someone else through Venmo to get that $10. And then doing this method, you can go ahead and make a free $10 just from Venmo right now. Now, if you're like, I don't know who to send the $5 to, you can either make a sock account and send it to that, or you can just send it to a member of your friend or family. And if you're sitting there like, well, I don't know who to send my Venmo money to, then either just make a sock account or ask one of your friends or family to make a sock account, and then they can also send $5. And then if you do that, then you can go ahead and make $20, but I don't want to cheat with this method, so we're only going to be using the $10 that you get immediately right now. And just like that, guys, as you can see right here, we were just able to make another $10. And this $10 just came from the Venmo referral program. So now we're at $20 of this challenge. And I'm actually really, really nervous because I don't know how I'm going to make up this other $80, considering that we only have a little bit of time left in this challenge. And for our next app, we're going to be using this app called Receipt Jar. Now, Receipt Jar is this super, super great app, which I have used a lot, as you can see right here, where I could go ahead and take receipts from anybody that I know. So for example, my mom does a ton of shopping for the family. So I just take all of her receipts and then I deposit it straight into Receipt Jar, where I've been able to cash out over $10. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to deposit a bunch of receipts into Receipt Jar to make a quick $5, because we do need $25 for this next part of the method. And another thing is that you don't even need to have physical receipts for this. What you can go ahead and do is you can connect any online shopping platform such as Amazon, Kroger, and Walmart, and then you can go ahead and just take every online receipt from there and then deposit them directly into Receipt Jar and make some free, easy money. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right here with you guys. And now we were at $25. Now, I'm actually really nervous because the timer is continuously counting down and I don't know how much time I have left. But as you can see right here, I have $25 by using these methods, and I'm still really concerned because I need to 4x this and I only have a little bit of time remaining. Now imagine this. Imagine if you're bored and you're actually just scrolling on TikTok, but instead of scrolling on TikTok, you could come on here on Eureka and you could be making some free, easy money. And if you guys want to go ahead and make a free, easy $1.50 from Eureka, you can actually sign up with my referral code, and as you can see right here, I've been able to make $12 just very easily from Eureka. Now, I gotta be quick because I gotta make another $25 from Eureka for this next part of the method to work. And as you can see right here, I've just spent this little bit amount of time filling out a bunch of these surveys from Eureka, and I've already made an additional $25 just from that. And we actually do need $50 for this part of the method, and this is the most important part where we're gonna go ahead and double this money. Now, my dad always talked about the importance of creating passive streams of income, of just people coming in and making you money just by doing things completely anonymously that you don't have to go in and do anything for. And what if I told you that you guys could go ahead and take this $50 and not only double it, but also create a bunch of streams of continuously free income. And the way that we are going to be doing that is that we're going to be using Webull. Now, if you guys go ahead and sign up with my link down below, you will get up to 24 stocks, which can be worth up to $500 for completely free, provided that you deposit in some money into Webull. Now, you might be thinking, wait, how am I going to get any money for that? But I'm going to presume since you've watched this video up to this point, you're actually participating in this challenge. And because of that, now you have $50 just sitting in your bank. So you can go ahead and take that money and deposit it directly into Webull, which then you can trade some super easy stocks and you can get those free stocks, which now you can take all those $50 that we just earned. And now what I can do, since normally I don't have the money to be able to deposit the money into Webull, I just made $50 by using these methods. So then I can take that money and put it directly into Webull and claim over 14 free stocks. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And now I'm back on my Cash App account, guys, and I'm waiting for this last $50 from Webull, and I'm just refreshing my account constantly, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm getting that free money because I don't have much time remaining. So come on, I'm refreshing, I'm here refreshing. Oh God. Oh, we were so close, guys. We ran that right to the wire. I didn't think we were going to make it, but the fact that we did, we managed to get $100 by using these completely free methods within 1 hour, and I am honestly astounded that this worked. I was scrambling for the last little bit to see if I could make this, but I'm so happy to see that we actually got this now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to cash out this money, and I'm going to be showing you me going to the ATM and getting a free $100 right now. All right, so now I'm getting the cash out of my account. I guess I can't get a clean 100 from this, but that's fine. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just initiated the transfer, and I'm really scared to see if I'm actually going to get my free $100. Alright, this is actually insane, guys. I just got my free $100 that I used from these methods, and I'm really ecstatic that these actually ended up working, and I'm super, super grateful, and I'm super, super happy. But since I'm in kind of a generous mood right now, I'm actually going to be giving this money away, and if you do want to win it, all you have to do is comment down your cash tag below. Because if this video does get me 100 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and do a free $100 Cash App giveaway, so you're going to want to make sure to do that if you're interested in winning this free money. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and if this video was at all interesting, make sure to click on one of any of these videos that you can see right here.